LG WebOS TV Remote, how to use. So if you want to learn how to use this remote that you would be able to see right over here on your LG Smart TV, it's very simple. First, let's get familiar with the buttons. At the very top, we have the power button to turn on the TV as long as it is connected to a power control. And next we have the list of numbers that we can use whenever you are typing something. This button right in between, which is the grayed out volume, is basically the button for muting it. The other ones is to navigating through the list, and other ones is for controlling the volume. This one right here is when you long press on it and say something, your TV will actually open up that particular command, because it will go ahead and then basically recognize the voice. After that, when you go to the home tab, no matter on whichever app you are, whenever you click the home button, you will be able to just navigate to the home page, which is this main dashboard page that you'll be able to find here, right? The next, when you go to this option, it will take you to other option. When you go this, whenever you're on any app, you can just go to the back option by just pressing this button, which is the back button. This option will directly take you to settings on your TV. Over here you can see you'll be navigated to settings. Wherever you are, it doesn't matter. And again, as we learned earlier, when we press this little back button, we'll be able to simply come here, and these options are for simply opening some of the pre-installed apps. So when you hit Netflix over here, it will automatically open up Netflix. When you hit Prime Video here, it will open up that designated application of your choice. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then basically navigate and use the WebOS remote. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.